Post concluding the session with Dr. Bhatia, I would like to share my two observations that I really liked about the session. With a minimal amount, the topics that Sir covered was really amazing. His deep knowledge, the insights that he shared is really value for money. A 5-hour workshop gave us a predefined topics which helped us to understand this topic more better with remedies without disturbing any house walls or anything. So I think that is really a good thing about this session. Secondly, what I liked is about Sir's intuition. Being miles away, he still was with us to guide us and share each and every concept. Why is it so important and how does it play a role in our life? I think this is the best session that I've ever enrolled and enjoyed it. A big thank you to you, sir, and a special note to Nidhi and Abhilash as well for doing their best for putting up this show in a very fruitful way to all of us. Thank you.